Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most fundamental topics in all of physics, Newton's law of motion. These three laws explain how everything moves, from the way your phone falls off the table to how a rocket launches into space. So let's break it all down step by step. Let's start with Newton's first law, also called the law of inertia. It says, an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. In single terms, things don't change their motion on their own. Imagine if you're sitting in a car that suddenly stops. Your body looks forward, right? That's inertia. Your body wants to keep moving, even though the car stopped. Another example, a soccer ball won't move until someone kicks it. One is rolling, it keeps going until the friction or another force, like someone stepping it, acts on it. Now, Newton's second law gives us the formula that connects force, mass, and acceleration. Force equals mass plus acceleration. This tells us that the force depends on two things, how much mass the object has and how quickly you want it to accelerate. Let's say you push two cars, one empty, one full of groceries. You use the same force, but the empty one moves faster. Why? Because it has less mass, so the same force produces more acceleration. That's Newton's second law in action. Finally, we have Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. If you ever jump off a small boat, you might notice the moves backward. That's because when you push a boat down and backward, it pushes you up and forward with the same amount of force. This law explains rocket launches too. The engine pushes gases downward, and the rocket moves upward with equal force. So to sum it up, the first law is about inertia. Things resist changes to their motion. The second law shows how force, mass, and acceleration are connected. The third law shows that forces always come in pairs. Without this law, modern engineering, sports science, and even space travel would be impossible. So next time you throw a ball, drive a car, or ride a skateboard, remember, Newton is there explaining every move. That was all for today. I hope you learned something and see you on the next video of the Elemental Physics Tutor. Goodbye.